As Maharashtra inches closer to the crucial election results, the political landscape in the state is on the edge. Sena UBT MP, now they're revealing plans to keep all the MLAs at a resort. Mahayuti leaders are brimming with confidence, claiming it would be a landslide for them. The stakes extremely high. The countdown to November 23 continues. The latest, the most accurate, the best news and analysis. Catch it here on India Today, 6 a.m. onwards. But for the moment, take a look at this report.
Hours before the crucial counting day, the political heat in Maharashtra is rising. Shiv Sena UBT MP Sanjay Raut has sparked a storm, revealing plans to keep MLAs at a resort to avoid poaching by the ruling Mahayuti.
160-165 तक हम विधायक हमारे चुनकर आएंगे। मुंबई में आने के बाद उनके लिए रहने के लिए जगह नहीं है, कहाँ रहेंगे वो, भागम भाग होगी। उनके ऊपर प्रेशर रहेगा इन लोगों का, खोखे वालों का। तो सबकी रहने की व्यवस्था एक होटल में एक जगह पर करने की योजना हम बना रहे हैं।
Mahayuti leaders, on the other hand, are confident of a landslide.
The people who have the audacity to talk about no jihad are the ones who have been propagating vote jihad, liquor jihad and all kinds of ill practices during election. It is going to be the Mahayuti that is coming to power और इनकी तो नैया डूब चुकी है। शायद इस वजह से उनके पास कोई बयान नहीं बचे और ये वैसे विवादक बयान देते रहे।
If the results are hung, the political parties won't have much time to waste. With the elections in state delayed, it means a government has to be formed within 3 days. The Maharashtra Assembly's 5-year term officially ends on November 26. Article 172 of the Constitution requires a new government to be sworn in by then. If not, President's rule looms large, giving the centre direct control over state administration under Article 356. Amid the buzz, Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi leaders went into a huddle to strategize for the post-poll scenario. Mahayuti leaders are looking at whether the BJP will cross the critical 90-seat mark. The BJP's performance is key to deciding who will lead the state next. Both fronts are eyeing rebels and independents. Small parties like Prahar Janshakti, BVA and MNS are expected to tilt towards Mahayuti in case of a hung assembly. Counting takes place on Saturday. A victory for Mahayuti will help BJP bury the ghost of the Lok Sabha polls in which the party failed to win majority on its own. A victory for MVA will give the opposition a new lease of life after a huge setback they suffered in Haryana. Bureau Report, India Today.